May I request your lordship?
What are you pointing out?
Because I am pointing out the initial order passed in the PIL, not the first date, the date of the examination itself, 22/9/2024. Kindly have page 278.
Yes.
This case has been listed today on the request of the petitioner in person as he has submitted a written request to get the case listed on urgent basis in view of the latest development of this matter after yesterday's order. And then your lordship will turn over the page and your lordship will find that in the middle there is a WhatsApp kind of message in Hindi. May I just place that below? And this is below at the top of the page. It is mentioned on 21/9/24 at 7:45 p.m. By referring to the said message, he submit that the service provider Jio has informed it that the entire network internet services in Jharkhand on 22nd September will be shut down from 4 a.m. in the morning till 3:30 in the direction. Now Hindi. झारखंड सरकार के निर्देशानुसार पूरे राज्य में रविवार 22 सितंबर को सुबह 4 बजे से शाम 3:30 बजे तक इंटरनेट की सभी सेवाएं बंद रहेंगी। इस समय पर आप इंटरनेट संबंधी किसी भी सेवा का उपयोग नहीं कर पाएंगे। Now, after that para 5, the request for people to come. Now para 6.
Yes.
Learned Additional Advocate General submit that some intelligence input was received at night, so the government decided to shut down the entire facility. Now, at what time it is the decision taken to not close down the internet is at para 19. Para 17 and para 19.
Yes.
Kindly see para 17 first.
Yes.
We have produced the noting portion of the file produced by the state. The Home Secretary was there, as I understand. Honorable CM, intelligence report was received regarding attempt towards disruption of exam using the internet including Wi-Fi broadband. Emergent meeting was held with the CM special branch. The deliberation was done regarding smooth conduct of examination. In view of the larger public interest and adequate safety of students at large, and with the objective of ensuring fair examination, a decision was taken to prohibit all types, including the broadband connectivity based on fixed telephone line, fiber and lead line of internet services on 22/9 from 8 a.m. to 1:30. Now, noting what we do not find any material to suggest that what was the intelligence input to disrupt entire internet facility, including shutdown of broadband, so and lead line. Prima facie, we do not find any application of mine in the said noting. Merely putting the words that raises public interest adequately, safety of students at large, ensuring fair examination without any factual backing to arrive at the said conclusion is not sufficient to shut down the entire internet service. Now, kindly see the next paragraph. Mr. So-and-so submitted that during the intervening night of 21st September and 22nd September, at about 00 hours, some intelligent inputs were received, and on that basis, a high-level decision was taken to suspend the entire internet.
What do you want to get out of this order? This order has been passed after the examinations have been completed.
On the same day,
But why this order was being contemplated or being passed, the internet services were closed. That is what the High Court comments upon. That is, you are drawing for it.
Because at 7:45 p.m. on the previous night, because the Jio people have already said that the internet will be closed tomorrow.
Yes.
But the decision which is taken by the government is at 1:30 a.m. on 22nd September.
So in the morning, early in the morning.
So how did the Jio know in order of the previous day that there will be internet closure from tomorrow? Without the government is saying the decision is taken at 1:30 a.m. The news is being published at 7:45 p.m. on the previous day. So that I ask myself that if there was no input or no meeting had taken place, the CM had not seen, and to decide to serve, this itself shows from the first day that how the state was acting.
Mr. Ranjit Kumar, unless you come up with some material to show that there was a large scale entire state examination was polluted, we are not going to interfere with this. High Court examined and the study still continued, and High Court has said in the SIT any successful candidate is found to be involved. Or at best we can say that all appointment letters will remain subject to final outcome of the SIT.
It says so. The appointment letter says so.
Appointment letter says so.
The order doesn't say so. But that I am submitting that may be. But what I am respectfully submitting here in the state where there is a 2023 Act of the state. which is not dealt with on the page 136 on. That act itself says that there is no preliminary inquiry required in a matter where such an allegation is done. Here, FIR was not even registered, and the High Court notes that if the Lordship see,
All that is now over.
543.
But what is slowly headed already investigating.
Saying that when it is something brought to the notice of the court, that there is, and previous years also it has happened, and that there is material, and people who have been arrested without.
Therefore, to quash the entire selection of the entire state, you must have sufficient material which will project that all over the state there have been bungling and pollution.
This is a case not where we
Or the paper has been leaked throughout the state.
one
Place, one center, 4 people, 5 people, why should they try to watch?
The examples that were given which is recorded in the High Court at page 57, which my friend argued.
And the High Court is justified in saying that on the second day more candidates have been selected because of the local language. And you see also that the local language candidates are much more.
Number of people who are
They discuss.
All the appointment orders shall go.
Can already. We are not inclined to retain this petition. The accordingly dismissed. However,
Appointment letter I can show you.
clarify that all appointment letters issued so far and to be issued shall remain subject to final outcome of the SIT. The state government shall take appropriate steps to mention the same in the appointment letters.
Because it's not only the SIT, there are fire, CID is also and SIT also.
Both is all
Both.
All criminal prosecution are being.
Yes.
Yes.
1 minute, nothing connected.
Yes.
My lord, see the two affidavit. What was happened?
Can you speak louder than Mr. Ranjit Kumar? Then why should we hear you?
Then I am taking the sessions of this.